Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Independence, Missouri? Look no further than Royal Rolloffs, your trusted partner for all your waste management needs. Whether tackling a home renovation, a significant cleanout, or a construction project, Royal Rolloffs has you covered with our dependable service and quality dumpsters. Our dumpsters are perfect for any project, helping you keep your worksite clean and organized. We pride ourselves on providing a seamless rental experience from start to finish. Our team at Royal Rolloffs is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service. We deliver your dumpster on time and ensure it's placed exactly where you need it. With easy scheduling and flexible rental periods, managing waste has never been simpler. Just call us, and we'll take care of the rest. Once your dumpster is complete, we'll promptly pick it up and responsibly dispose of it, ensuring a hassle-free experience. We follow all local regulations to ensure your waste is handled in an environmentally responsible manner. Choose Royal Rolloffs for your next project and experience the best dumpster rental in Independence, Missouri. Visit our website at www.royalrolloffs.com dumpster rental Independence MO or call 816-565-6462 to get started today. Royal Rolloffs, your dependable choice for all your waste management needs.